Hazrat Bara bin Azib radiyallahu anhu reports, on Eid day, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam addressed us and said, "Whosoever performs prayer as we have performed and sacrifices as we do, his sacrifice is approved. And whosoever sacrifices before the prayer, then it is only mutton." Hazrat Abu Burda bin Nihar got up and said, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I sacrificed before going out to perform the prayer, and I knew only this, that this is a day of eating and drinking. So I hurried in eating it and feeding it to my family and my neighbors." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "It is just mutton." He said, "I have a kid less than 1 year old that is better than 2 meat goats. Will it be sufficient on my behalf?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Yes, but it will not suffice anybody else after you." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 983.